ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 28, Editing a Template. If required, templates can be resaved as templates with the same file name, allowing the original template to be overwritten to incorporate changes. Let's start a new workbook based on the budget template, which was already created in a previous lesson. So, File, New, Personal, and don't forget it's the personal at the top here, not the one down here. Personal, and we're going to apply the template budget. Let's change all the tax rates to 40%, and then drag across. Okay, all of those have now been set at 40%. Next, let's change the orientation of the page to landscape and ensure the spreadsheet fits onto one page. So orientation is going to be from page layout, orientation, and we want to change to landscape. I also want to ensure that the spreadsheet fits onto one page, and right now I can see from this dotted line over here that it spills over. The total will be on a second page. So on Scale to Fit, if we go for Print Preview, we can clearly see that we're not currently fitting on one page. So on the Scaling drop-down arrow, Fit Sheet on one page. Okay, let's go back. We want to now format the numbers within rows 2 to 4 as currency with 2 decimal places. So select the 2 rows, 2 and 3, right-click, Format Cells, and we want currency to 2 decimal places. For the purposes of this, I'm going to put in pound signs. Next, let's do the same for rows 6 to 11. Again, right-click, Format Cells, currency to 2 decimal places, and press OK. Finally, rows 13 and 14. Right-click, Format Cells, currency, 2 decimal places. To resave the template, click the File tab, Save As, Browse. I want to change the Save As type to Excel Template, and as mentioned in a previous lesson, we're now redirected to save in the Custom Office Templates folder. We actually want the name to be Budget, then press Save. We're now informed that the budget template already exists. Do we want to replace it? Yes, we do. The budget template has now been overwritten. Okay, we now want to check that the changes have actually been made. So let's open a new workbook based on the template. Let's close this. Then File, New, Personal, Budget. And as we can see, we now have the updated version of the template. Okay, close all workbooks. The created template is to be deleted. So click File, Open. We need to locate the Custom Office Templates folder. Select Budget, and we can delete the template by either pressing Delete on the keyboard or selecting the Organize menu, then Delete. The budget template will now be deleted. Click Cancel to close the open dialog box, and then click New, then Personal, to check that the template has been successfully deleted, as indeed it has. Okay, that's the end of this lesson. We've now finished lesson 28. We've also now finished section 6, the template section. So your job now is lesson 29, which will be revision for section 6. Okay, I hope you do well on this one, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be starting on section 7, formulas. I look forward to seeing you then.